it's Carol here bringing you another video. I am loving the monochrome look. I always have, and this stamp set, the Petal Palette and the DSP has been black and white. It's just lovely. So I thought I'd bring you a little card today demonstrating something that I've made. So let's go. What you need is the circle dies, and what I did was I worked out every other size. So let's get the big shot and I'll show you what I mean. So just a scrap, about half an A4. You don't need all that, but and then I used the biggest one, and I missed one for the white one, and then I used this one, and then I used a tiny one. Okay, and I've put them all inside each other to safeguard, because the white card will go on top. So you don't need to cut out loads of different circles, just cut out the one. And then white card, and then I used that one and that one. Okay. This way you safeguard and it looks amazing. Okay, right. So let's get all the different bits. Okay, now base card. Base card is 14.3 by 14.5 centimeters. Okay, and what I did was I stamped first. So I've chosen the Petal Palette, I've chosen the leaf, and I've chosen the congratulations, and I also chose this long one here. Can you see it? Sorry, that one. Now Memento black ink again. So I did this one first, and I did it kind of there. So I don't mind that it doesn't reach the ends. I think that looks quite good. It's just my preference. And then the leaves, I made sure they're all inked, and then I did one, and then I did another one and another one. Okay, so I don't, and then the congratulations I put up in the corner. There you go. So it is quite a simple card, but I also think it's very effective. So you could use any shape dies you want, but I just think the circles just really look cool. So putting that there, put it where you want, and then the white one we're sticking there, and as you can see, you can't see that hole because it's smaller than this white one. Do you see what I mean? So I used every other size. So that's the white one, and then the black one, the next size down, will cover up that. See? So nobody knows. No one knows. Just you and me. There's the white one, and there's the little black one. And how cool is that? No one needs to know our secrets. They think that we've used all this card, that it looks amazing. That's fine. Right, we have this black and white striped ribbon. So what I thought was it needed just something up here. So all I did, sorry, was I just tied it, and it's wired, so it kind of stays where you want it to. But I turned it because I didn't want to see the back of it. I wanted to see the front of it. There you go, and you can move it where you want. Look, it's really cool. So I chopped. And then do the same again this side. Okay, there you go. Put the ribbon away, put all your rubbish, get rid of all the fibres. And then I used a glue dot to stick it on. I just positioned it up here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my card, my monochrome card. I hope you like it. I hope you choose to do something like this maybe in the future. It's really cool. Something a bit different maybe. So, take care. See you again soon. Bye.